Alright you guys, so I'm going to start off by creaming my butter and my sugars together. Not creaming, but mixing all of that stuff up together. So I have some sugar here. I'm going to use 2 cups of sugar. Eggs or like anything. So 2 cups of sugar and 2 sticks of melted butter. These are actually fresh eggs that we got from one of our neighbors on the street. Mix this. Pour in here a teaspoon of salt. That's the oven just beat. Teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna whisk this up together. So now I'm gonna add my dry ingredients to this mixture. Alright, so now I'm gonna oil the bottom of my pan. A little bit of vegetable oil. Use this brush to make sure I spread it out, just so that my brownies won't stick. To my pan. Peanut butter. It looks so good. Look at that look. These are so good. I will put recipe in the description. Would you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video.